In the late 19th century, two brothers from France, Edouard and André Michelin, saw a future few could imagine. They believed that tires, not just any tires but innovative, durable ones, would shape the way people traveled. In 1889, they founded Michelin in Clermont-Ferrand, France, and began a journey of innovation. At the heart of their success was the invention of the detachable pneumatic tire. This groundbreaking design made replacing tires faster and easier, revolutionizing transportation. As cars became more accessible, the Michelin brothers realized something. They needed to inspire people to explore, to travel, to drive. In 1900, Michelin introduced a solution, the Michelin Guide. Originally a free booklet, it offered practical advice for drivers, maps, car maintenance tips, and lists of places to refuel or stay overnight. But over time, its focus shifted. By including restaurants, the guide began connecting travelers with the best culinary experiences in France. The guide introduced its star rating system in the 1920s, a move that transformed it into a global authority on fine dining. A single Michelin star signaled a very good restaurant. 2 stars meant worth a detour. And 3 stars? A restaurant so exceptional, it was worth a special journey. For chefs, earning a Michelin star became a symbol of mastery and dedication. It inspired creativity, elevated standards, and redefined what it meant to dine well. The guide's influence grew, expanding beyond France to cover countries around the world. Meanwhile, Michelin continued to innovate in the tire industry, developing technologies for safer, more sustainable travel. From the roads we drive on to the restaurants we dine in, Michelin became a name synonymous with excellence. Today, Michelin stands as a testament to vision and adaptability. What began as a quest to sell tires turned into a legacy that connects the worlds of mobility and gastronomy. It's a story of how one idea can reshape industries and inspire generations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.